Welcome back to the adventure, guys. We finally got all the pieces in. We should be able to install this fuel system. When we last left off, I was just putting in the pump and the filter for our fuel system for our diesel heaters, and today I want to go ahead and finish that up. I think I can finish it all up today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the old line demoed out and yeah, bring you guys along. So take a look at all this ice. That's how much ice is built up. This is very thick. This might be like 7 inches thick in some areas. This is why I want to get that diesel heater running, because the mini split, yes, it can keep the cab warm, but it just, all the condensation, this is just a mess. So look at that. I might be able to get that out. I need 2 hands, but I think I can get that out and not have to, not let it be too detrimental. Yeah, I can get that out. Sweet. Well, that's just so close though. If I had waited another probably week, I probably wouldn't be able to get that out. So we just got this little skinny line right here. Go ahead and shut it off. Hopefully all the fluid won't leak out. Actually, now that I think about it, I'm gonna have to take that off too, so that doesn't really matter. I might have to put the camera down for this because this might get a little bit messy. I need to cut the line in a couple of places to get it out of here. I think that'll be the quickest, easiest way. And then come springtime, I'll take all these little clamps back off. All these little clamps like right here, take those off in the springtime. Well, here we are in the cab. I can't fit under that gap, so I'm gonna have to start the truck up and then raise up the air suspension, and then from there, oops, I gotta lean back, getting the light. So from there, then I should be able to fit under there. But yeah, let's hope this truck starts. I do have a switch right here. Let's see. You see that? Yeah, that glowing red switch. That's my block heater switch. So that is on. And for everybody that has a diesel bus or truck or anything that plugs in, get a block heater, especially if you frequent cold climates, and wire it in to where you can turn it on in the cab. If you want that video, I can link that in the description. But yeah, it should fire up, I hope. But yeah, I hope it still fires up. There's always a chance with these that they might not. I mean, yeah, the block might be warm, but it's got summer diesel in it, and that summer diesel likes to gel up, and when it gels up, it won't go through the filter or the pump. So there's always that issue. Let's hope it starts. A bunch of ice cubes fell off. Yeah. Still gotta cycle the glow plugs twice. We'll do one more time. 3 times to cycle the glow plugs. Give it a shot. Oh, look at that. No problem. Sweet. Alright. Now we just need to build air pressure, raise the airbags. We should be good to go. Alright guys, finally got it up to pressure, and then got the airbags inflated, so now we should be good to go ahead and start working. I didn't get out and check, so this might not have worked, and if that's the case, I'm going to have to move the truck or dig another hole. We will see, but I should be able to get to work now, hopefully. Sweet. Lots and lots of room now. That's it. Yeah, lots of room. Perfect. All right. get some work done. I went ahead and grabbed the tool I needed to take this off. I'm gonna spare you guys watching me just unscrew a bunch of bolts. Alright, so we got that line pulled off, and there's no real use in making all that up outside in the cold, so I'm gonna make it all up in here. Alright, so here we go. Stick that off to the side. We've got this piece here. This is one of the pieces. This is trash. So this is one of the pieces that goes up. This part goes up to the heater, and this part is really cracked. Like, I don't know if you can see that. That's super dry rotted. So that needs to be replaced. And then this side is where the hose comes in. So this needs to be replaced as well with that new thicker line, so we can get nice big flow rate, not this thin stuff. So we'll get that done. That's what we got. This is what we got to do for all the little pieces. So to save battery, I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going right into this blank spot on the fuse box with that wire, that loose wire. That's going to be my positive connection for that little pump we've got underneath. And yeah, this is why you future-proof all your stuff. Under behind this panel, or this one, I don't remember which one it is, but one of those panels, there's a negative bus bar, and then the positives all come out to these fuse boxes so that we can change the fuses when they're blown. That way we don't have to tap back into the battery for anything. We just got another, however many this is, 6 extra fuse spots now still available. Yeah, so I'm going to get all this buttoned back up, and I'll see you guys under the truck. Alright, almost done with this little project. Just gotta make my way back underneath here with all my stuff. A little bit easier with ice right here. Just slide. Alright. All I gotta do is just hook up. It's a little bright, it's kind of hard for you to see me. But now all I have to do is just hook up my my lines and everything that I made up. And then we should be good to go ahead and run this thing. Yeah, hopefully I don't have to go back up for anything else, because it's kind of a pain getting down here. So this is the other end. This is the other end of our wires we've got coming from that fuse box that's inside the truck. All right. This nut off. Slide these in. Perfect. I'll give it one more little bit of tightening. Not much, this is all plastic here. That's good enough. And this is the one more little bit of thing. This is a little switch. Let's see if you can see that. Kind of hard to read, but you can read that. Remote control switch. So this should allow me to be able to remote control this little boost pump that I put in, and hopefully be able to purge the system by myself. That's the goal. Alright guys, so we are back. Whoop. We're back. My camera died, so this is a new day now, but we're gonna get this done. We are pretty much done. So this is what we got last night. Let me see if I can find the remote. So let's see if you can hear this. This little remote goes to this little box, which then goes down to the pump. So when I push this on, it's kind of hard to hear. When I click the remote on, this clicks on. When this clicks on, the pump down here clicks on. Alright. So when I click the button also, this pump comes on. Kind of hard to hear right now. Well, I don't think you'll ever be able to hear it really that good, because it's a quiet pump. So we're just about ready to test the system. I'm gonna just leave these wire nuts on here just for now, just until we test everything. Then I'll button it up all nice. Actually, yeah, we are ready. So when we turn this valve, now it should let fluid flow. When I turn the pump on, eventually we should see it fill this container. Oh, I forgot to put hose clamps on here. Let me do that real quick first, so we don't get a leak. And just pump it up. That's a quick and easy way to prime it. Alright guys, so we got the pump all installed. It went so quick. I just kept priming it and priming it, and then I did have a small leak, but I fixed that, and then immediately it shot through the line, And now the whole line looks black, so unfortunately you guys couldn't see it go through there. But all that's left to do now is to turn on the heater, give it a test. And this takes a long time to start, so again, sorry guys, but I'll be right back. So I was thinking possibly you might be able to see it come through this side, but it moves really fast. So let's see. You can see that. There's a line, and then I'll just hold the button. Oh, the valve is off. Try it one more time. There it is. Just need to get the pressure off the line. Super quick. Alright, I'm back again, guys. Let's see here. See if I can get some better light going on. There we go. Alright, I'm back again, guys. I got all the plumbing done for my electrical, or for my diesel heater, and now it doesn't start. And I'm thinking the reason it doesn't start is I made the mixture just a little bit too rich on the waste oil. So I think I'm gonna need to add a couple of gallons of diesel to the tank, but that's for later because I gotta clean up a whole bunch of stuff here in the truck and then disconnect it and then drive across town, and it's covered in snow, so I gotta clean it off. So that's for another video. So that's it for this one. I will see you guys next time. If you like what you see, hit the like button. If you don't like it, tell me in the comments. Maybe we can get something fixed for you. And then subscribe if you want to see more. There's lots of adventures and lots of things I want to fill you guys in on. But that's coming soon. So, yeah. See you guys next time.